Hey, everybody! Welcome, friends, to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to quickly and easily share your story from Instagram app on Facebook. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please write your comments, also be sure to put likes. So let us get down to the topic. Please open the Instagram app on your devices, and then please go to your account. Then on the top right, click on the three bars to open up Settings and Activity. Next, you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. Next, please select the section Shared between profiles. Next, please select your Instagram account. After that, friends, you will see a section here called Share Your Stories. You will just need to click on the button in front of your Instagram story. You can also choose and adjust, if you have multiple Facebook accounts, in which one you would like to share your Instagram stories. This is how, friends, you can share your Instagram story on Facebook very easily and quickly. I really hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to please put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care, friends.